the Smirnoff that I like. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Officially starting my Thanksgiving vlog. This is my first Thanksgiving, as you guys all know, and I'm very excited. We have two Thanksgiving party. One that we're attending, which is AJ's family Thanksgiving, and then we have another one on the actual day. That's the day before Thanksgiving, and then we have another one which is the day of Thanksgiving that we're hosting at our place, and we invited friends over, and then AJ and his parents' friends are also coming over. So very excited. We bought the stuff. Mag-haul ako ng mga binili namin. Right now we're at Gold's Gym kasi kinakancel ni AJ yung membership niya, kasi you can't cancel it online or over the phone. You have to go to the actual Gold's Gym. Okay guys, so we're home and ito yung mga binili ko. So graham crackers, crema, evap, condensed. Bumili kami ng White Claw. For yung crema, ito yung hindi fruit cocktail. Ito talaga, ang specialty ng grandma ko is sliced peach. And I want AJ's family to try my grandma's recipe. Then bumili kami ng red cups, paper plate, cheapest na pink Moscato that we saw. And then ito, favorite ni AJ na IPA, Voodoo Ranger. We always have this stock of this at home. And then bumili ako ng sewing kit. And then bumili kami ng, syempre, cutleries. And then bumili ako ng 5 different ribbons. Very trendy ngayon yung bow Christmas tree. And all in all, we spent about parang $140. So mga nasa 7K? Parang mga ganun, 7-8K. And we're ready to eat. Morning everyone! Watching YouTube. I'm having my avocado toast. Let's take our first bite. I do need to practice my poached egg skills again, because I used to be so much better. Oh, good. Grabe, ang sarap. Why did I ever stop making that? I don't know. Beautiful view. It's a beautiful day today. Would be better if it was on focus. Hindi ko makuha yung autofocus nito, pero I wanted to show you guys my outfit. So I'm just wearing this Uniqlo top. This one is AJ's, and then naka-belt lang ako, and then I'm gonna wear my knee-high boots. So I am very excited. It's gonna be a good day. Ronald is eating off of his mat, and I'm cooking pancit canton. I'm just waiting for AJ to come home. He's gonna get ready, and then naalis na kami kasi late na kami. 2:30 talaga yung start, but AJ has work today, so late kami. So yeah, and his tita's house is around parang mga 30 minutes away. So, medyo malayo-layo siya. So, kakain kami kasi gutom na ang ating yung girl. We're here. Ayan na yung ano ko. My wonderful creation.
I made this.
Kapalang mo ka, may vlog ako na ako lang mag-isa, hindi mo ako tinulungan. Yeah.
Okay. Nakikipag-usap ko yun. Kaya na. Kain na ka!
We're at the mall, Black Friday shopping.
Yeah. We already spent her budget already.
$4. Dang.
Where?
We're going to check out What's the store?
Journeys is right in front of us.
Journeys. We're gonna look at Uggs. We're gonna take a picture with the boys. Yeah, that one.
Wish you were here. Bruh.
Yeah. Okay guys, so nandito kami sa parents ni AJ. Kinukuha niya yung Christmas tree namin. We also finally got nightstands and I bought a bunch of clothes kasi nga Black Friday. So, kailangan ko na din ng clothes. So, perfect na Black Friday. At least nakatipid-tipid kami kahit papano. Ayun yung dati ni AJ. Binubuhat yung Christmas tree. Galing yan sa tita ni AJ. Oh yeah, perfect. Ngayon, papunta kaming Walmart naman kasi may gustong bilhin si AJ na vacuum. Guys, may madadagdag sa haul natin. Binigyan ako ng mom ni AJ ng damit. Nag-shopping din kasi sila, pero naghiwalay lang kami. So, is John Van coming to Walmart?
Yeah.
With us? Okay. So, we're going with his
Keep thinking about the vacuum.
Yeah.
You ready, bro?
Yeah, see you there. Ay, thank you po.
Nagsabi yan nagpangit mo.
Ano ba? Going now, guys. We'll see you there at Walmart because AJ is such a dad. He won't be able to sleep if we don't get the vacuum tonight. We're here.
Hoover vacuum.
Hoover. Okay, before we proceed to the rest of the video, let's do my Black Friday haul first. For full transparency, this is being filmed a few days before this gets uploaded. And nilagay ko sa trash bag lahat. I think ito na lahat ng mga pinamili namin ng Black Friday. I think. Except for the vacuum, of course. Bumili kami ng vacuum. Kasi yung vacuum na ginagamit namin, it's specifically for pet stay. And pag na-vacuum na namin yung buong house, nababasa yung buong carpet. Bumili kami ng isa pang vacuum na for like the whole house. That's one of the big things that we got was the vacuum. And then sa mall, these are the things that I got. This is from Adidas. I got a headband. I've been into headbands recently and I really like this one. I think it'll be perfect if I'm having like a needed moment. So this is $13. I got this one specifically for the dress that I got at Depop. Makikita niyo yan in the future. Sa mga Christmas parties, we have a lot of Christmas parties. Parang coming this weekend probably until Christmas, we have Christmas parties to attend. This one is from Christian Siriano. Super chunky and I can't wait to wear it. It's getting colder and colder here in Tennessee and oh my god, I haven't been out of the house pero sabi ni AJ sa akin kahapon nasa 29 Fahrenheit, so that's around -1 Celsius. Girl. And anyways, so yung sweater may kasama siyang socks. Next thing I got are these pants. This is from ang brand ba to? Sincerely Jules. I love the color. It's just a great parang statement pants. Pag medyo boring yung outfit, yung top, ito ang solution. Next thing that I got is this dress. I got this dress because I feel like pwede ko siyang gamitin reversible. I can wear it this way, plain black dress na maxi. Or I can wear it this way with the cutout. And I think it's just something that I can wear and I can keep in my closet winter to summer. Parang all throughout the year, pwede ko siyang masuot. Next thing that I got, or this was given by AJ's mom. I think galing to sa JCPenney, but the brand is Worthington. And it's just this knitted jacket. I think it's really cute actually for like pang inner. Yeah, it's just very simple but I like it a lot. Okay, AJ, ito bigay ng mom niya. Next thing is this skirt. This is from the brand Love Gen, and this one is $77. But look at that. So I can't wait to wear it with knee-high boots. I don't know if kakayanin ko yung lamig, but you know what? Baka tiisin ko. And again, it's something that I can keep all throughout the year. And pag hindi na nasa trend ang long denim skirts, then I can always just cut it and turn it into a mini skirt. And mini skirts are forever. This one, nasuot ko na. You'll see it in the next few clips in this video. But this is Kenzie jeans. I must say, this is so comfy. And I like the fit of it. Fitted siya sa thighs. And then it flares on the bottom. All in all, I really like the fit of this everywhere else except for my hips. Next thing and last thing, bigay to sa akin ng mom ni AJ, and I must say this is probably one of my faves that I got for Black Friday. It's another knitted sweater, and again, this is from JCPenney, but the brand is St. John's Bay, and it's just this large oversized knitted sweater, and she knows me so well, she got me a large, and it's perfect for just comfy on the go outfits. So yeah, those are all of the things that I got. I think I'm not forgetting anything, so let's go back to the video. Good morning, everyone. So we're gonna be going today. I just woke up. Lunch night's a Saturday, so it's a Saturday after Black Friday. We did a bunch of Black Friday shopping, so i-reheat ko lang tong adobo, and then nag-Uber si AJ kahapon, and yung Uber driver niya, binigyan siya nitong mga parang Thanksgiving food yan, mga yan eh. Guys, kailangan namin mag-grocery. Wala na kaming meat and veggies, yung mga pang-ulam. Ganun. Pupunta kami ngayon. Naliligo na si AJ. Pupunta kami, kakain lang kami. Alis na kami to go to Costco. Kasi maaga sila nagsasara eh. And then, as you guys can see, we have our Christmas tree. So, dala namin yan kagabi. Bigay yan ng tita ni AJ. Thank you again, Tita Malu, for the Christmas tree. I think we're gonna start setting it up tonight. Kahit yung setup lang, kahit hindi yung decoration. Yung side job na gagawin niya is for his tita. So that means I can come with him and I'll be his helper. And he said he's gonna pay me $10 per hour. Okay na yun na, $10. Waiting for AJ now. He's carrying some stuff. We're leaving. This is the fit. Very simple. I want to be comfy because again, I'm helping AJ. I bought some Grassini, my favorite since I was like in elementary school. These are my favorite. So yeah, he's there getting something from our other car. And because we're bringing the truck today because he has his toolbox right there in the truck. So yeah, that's what's up. And yeah, I'm wearing the jeans that I got yesterday, and I really like the fit. This in this area, like my hips, because I have hip dips, it's kind of loose on that side, but for the most part it fits good. He's getting my package or ordered something off of Depop. I'm so excited for this jacket. I ordered 2 more things that haven't arrived. It takes a while. Like those, I ordered all of this like within like a few hours from each other, but for some reason, dress has arrived. This jacket has arrived, but the 2 other things that I ordered are still not here. I'm from Depop, so it's like carousel. Parang carousel nila dito. Ukay siya, ganyan. Online ukay. Ayan yung mailbox namin. And then that's the that's the laundry area and the dumpster where we throw our trash. And then dito is the leasing office plus the clubhouse plus the gym and the pool and all that stuff. Siguro later on, bibigyan ko kayo ng tour dyan. Pero I did a tour on my TikTok. So if you guys wanna watch, my TikTok is gonna be linked on the description box below. It is here. What's the other thing? May na-receive kaming package from Amazon na hindi sa amin. Pero ito na yung sa akin.
Oh, babe.
Open natin siya. So pretty. It's like a grandma's jacket. Actually what I wanted. Quilted. And it's like vintage. We're at Costco now. Can you like walk properly and not hit
Babe,
me?
you about to walk me into this.
And what are we planning to get for pinakbet? What else do you want to eat this week?
I'm going to buy groceries for a whole month.
A whole month?
Yeah, why not? Vegetables will stay
Because
fresh
it's
for
not.
a whole month.
No, they don't, babe. AJ, ano ba? Parang kinukuha naman ako ni Lord. AJ left me to pee. So, buying fruits and veggies first. Gusto ko ng pinakbet.
Wait till it tells you to remove the card. With the pin. Bruh. It's 87. Babe, at the bottom, 87.
Babe, it's not even. Is
Alright.
that 25?
Yeah.
So do I remove this? Wait, how do I remove
Turn it to the left, babe. Babe, keep turning it. There. Yeah. Now, hold it. Press it. Babe, hold it. Now put that tab down with your finger. Yeah, but you can do it with your... Now let go. But put the tab down and then let go. Yeah.
I did it!
Saving up, and we're real. Might gotta do. If I buzz, I gotta write, gotta build. You know, in myself, you know, to the everybody knows, like, okay, I'm gonna drip, I'm gonna drip, wanna make a drip, drip, I'm gonna live, that's what I gotta do, for. And yes, yes, I can do it now. So, excuse me, your health, I got anything on my mind, like,
You know the guy with the finger in his eye. Oh, yes I did, yes I did. Somebody please tell who the F.I.S. I am Nicki Minaj and my computer.
Oh, babe, I wonder if on the new iPhones they're gonna put 0.5 on the front camera.
Maybe.
That'd be pretty cool.
Guys, dinala ko yung kimchi. Ako lang naman kakain ito. Wala naman ibang kumakain ng kimchi sa bahay. So, papapakin ko na siya. Nagugas akong kamay. Fresh pa din. So, binuhat namin from their shed. Nandito kami sa parents' house. Sa house ng parents niya. From their shed, andyan lahat ng mga tools niya. Nilagay namin sa toolbox. We're here, about to watch